Multiplying is equivalent to adding multiple times, and dividing is equivalent to subtracting multiple times. You could add a number over and over a given number of times to multiply, or subtract a number over and over and count how many times it took you to reach 0. But multiplication and division of numbers provide more efficient methods. Exercising regularly, eating right, and getting plenty of rest are the keys to maintaining a healthy body. But how does staying healthy relate to multiplying and dividing whole numbers? Let's find out. Multiplying can help you keep track of the amount of exercise you do. To find out how many miles you ride a bike to and from someplace, you can add the miles you ride each day over and over, or multiply those miles by the number of days you ride. Bike riding is one fun way to exercise and a great way to stay healthy and strong. These cyclists know the meaning of a long day in the saddle, pedaling many miles during a competition. In this road race, cyclists must complete a 12-mile loop 3 times each day of a 4-day competition. So, how many miles will each cyclist pedal during the entire competition? First, let's add up the miles each day. 12 miles 3 times. 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 36 miles for each day. But we're not done yet. Remember, this is a 4-day competition. As each day passes, the cyclist completes 36 miles of racing. How many miles will the racers cover in 4 days? Let's do the math. 36 plus 36 plus 36 plus 36 equals 144 miles. So during the 4-day competition, each cyclist will race for 144 miles. Instead of adding the miles each day multiple times, we also could have simply multiplied the number of days by the number of miles each day to get the same conclusion. 36 miles each day times 4 days equals 144 miles. Gabon lies along the equator on the western coast of Africa. It's one of the richest countries on the continent, with great amounts of oil and timber. We can use the produce at this roadside market to learn about multiplication. We'll focus on these piles of vegetables. 3 rows, 5 columns. First, think of the section in rows. There are 5 in each row, and there are 3 rows. That's 3 rows of 5, or 3 times 5. It's 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Now watch what happens when we think of the same set of vegetables differently. Look at them in columns. There are 5 columns with 3 in each column. That's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, adding up 5 threes, or 5 times 3. Of course, 5 times 3 is still 15. We didn't change anything, except how we looked at them. Notice that multiplication is adding the same number multiple times. But multiplication is faster because it's done in just one step. It's also like addition because it has a commutative property. You end up with the same answer, no matter in which order you multiply 2 numbers.